Hi, this is JoJo Maths. Today we can see the exercise 1.1 of our chapter 1 real numbers. First question, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of the given numbers 135 and 225. Now we can see the solution of this problem. In order to apply Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of given two numbers, we want to consider any two positive integers. Let C and D be any two positive integers with one condition: this integer C should be greater than this integer D. This is our Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of the given two numbers. Now in our problem here the number 225 is greater than 135. So our C should be the number 225 and our D should be 135. Okay, so now we are going to apply Euclid's division algorithm to these two numbers C and D. Applying Euclid's division algorithm. Now applying Euclid's division algorithm to the numbers 225 and 135, we get 225 equal to, that is C is equal to D into Q, that is 135 into Q plus R. In order to find the value of Q and R, we have to divide this number 225 by 135. So one time, that is 135, we get the remainder as 90. Okay, so we can write the equation as 225. This is the value of Q and this is the value of R, remainder R. So substituting these values of Q and R in this equation, 225 equal to 135 into Q value 1 plus the remainder value is 90. Here our R value is 90, which is not equal to 0. Okay, or R value 90, which is not equal to 0. Then means we have to continue the process. If suppose here the R value becomes 0, means we can stop the process. But here our R value is 90, which is not equal to 0. So we are going to continue the process. That is, we are going to apply the Euclid's division algorithm again to the numbers 135 and 90. That is, here we are going to consider this integer 135 as C and D is 90. Since 135 is greater than 90, here our C value is 135 and D value is 90. Again applying Euclid's division algorithm, we get 135 equal to D into Q, that is 90 into Q plus R. Now in order to find the value of Q and R, we have to divide this 135 by the integer 90. So one time we get 45, as here the Q value is 1 and the R value is 45. So substituting the values of Q and R in this equation, which implies 135 equal to 90 into 1 plus the remainder value is 45. Here also our R value equal to 45, which is not equal to 0. Then means again we have to continue the process. That is, again we are going to apply the Euclid's division algorithm to these two integers 90 and this integer 45. So here, since 90 is greater than 45, our C value is 90 and our D value is an integer 45. So applying Euclid's algorithm to these two C value and D value, that is 90 and 45, we get 90 equal to 45 into Q plus R. So in order to find the value of Q and R, we have to divide this 90 by integer 45. So 2 times 90, 0. Here 2 is the value of Q and 0 is the value of R. So substituting these two values in the equation, we get 90 equal to 45 into Q value is 2 and the R value is 0. So now see here, our R value is equal to 0. That means we can stop the process. And the divisor at this stage, that is our D value at this stage will be our HCF. Here our D value is 45. Then 45 is the HCF of our given numbers 135 and 225. That is HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. Hence proved. Thank you.